got to nurture your YouTube channel. Your YouTube channel is one of the most important things to me. I just think YouTube and merch is major. So now you got him. He's doing your videos. He's doing your vlogs. He's doing your photography. He's doing your graphics for your merch, your graphics for your covers, your graphic for flyers or whatever. This dude is on this shit for you. He or she is one of the most important people. I'm talking about very important. Now, these people just gave you $250. Now, it take money to make money, but the only way they're going to keep giving you money if they see that you're doing something is you bringing value, because guess what, buddy? If you're on Atlantic, if you're on Epic, if you're on Capital, if you're on whatever label you're on, Republic, whatever label you're on, Columbia, guess what? Is you and dozens of other people. And they got big time stars on here. So if you're going to play games, they'll forget about you. They'll put you on ice. You'll be somewhere on the motherfucking shelf catching dust. The only people that are going to keep shooting money in and back in they play is those that's bringing them assets. They keep bringing, they performing. They out here doing their thing. And when I say performing, I'm talking about some doing what you need to do. Really, I got 250,000. I'm going to give them anywhere from 3 to 6 months. I'm going to take another 3 to 4,000. I'm going to go get me a studio. The studio that I'm going to get, like I always tell y'all, MacBook Pro, Apollo, a microphone, a stand, some headphones, XLR cord, and a Thunderbolt cord. Bang, I'm gonna get that Thunderbolt 3. Bang, I'm gonna get that now. I got my studio, right? Bang. Because everywhere I go, I want to be able to have my studio with me so I can record. I'm gonna lock in with a good engineer somewhere. I can always email my stuff over. He can mix and master, whatever. The third thing that I'm locking in on, and I always tell you guys this, a lot of you guys be like, why I'm always pushing, I am getting me a Swiss Army knife. A Swiss Army knife is that guy that do video, photography, and graphic design. That's going to be my go-to man. He is one of the most important players on the team, on your team. He is somebody that's extremely, I'm talking about extremely important, right? And one thing about labels give you more money when you keep bringing assets back, when you keep doing things. So with him, with this dude, you can shoot your videos. You can shoot all the, the photos you need for promotion, your ads, for your covers. He could do graphics for your merch. He could do your, if this dude is really that, he could do your website. This dude, he's the most important dude. If he could do all that, you're going to be great. Sometimes you got to do a little research to find one, but if you find a Swiss Army knife, you're going to be in. But once again, he can shoot your videos. Think about that. He can shoot your blogs, your day-to-days when y'all moving around. So, cause you gotta, listen, you gotta